Hi, so the very first thing we are going to do is to obtain a Microsoft account using which we are going to redeem our Azure Pass. I am using Microsoft Edge as a browser, but you can use any browser and open in private browsing window. So if I click here and I say new in private browsing window, and on this I will go to the website called as account.microsoft.com. And once this page opens, we click on create Microsoft account. And when we come to this dialog box, we click on get a new email address. And here you need to type a globally unique email ID. You can think of any email ID that you would like to use for this training. I'm using this one. Then I say next. It may tell me that this account is already being taken. So I can just simply alter this email ID, and then I can just type the password for this email ID. I click next. I may face this issue whereby I am supposed to prove that I am not a robot. So I can follow the instructions, say done, and it is. And now I have the account available to me. Now the next thing is that I will open another tab here, and in this one I would like to go to the website from which I can redeem my Azure Pass. So I can go to Microsoft azurepass.com. I can click on start, and I'm going to use the same ID that I have created in my previous step in order to log in, and it can give me the confirmation that this is my Microsoft email and this is my current email. Be careful that you cross check that it is the same ID which you have created in the previous step, and this ID does not have any Azure Pass previously resumed, or you're not using any ID that you are probably having it as a part of your corporate assignment. So I can just click on confirm account, and this is the place where I'm supposed to be now pasting the Azure Pass code that I have provided you. So now I'm pasting my code here, and then I can click on claim promo code. It will validate my code, and once this validation is over, it is going to ask me to fill up a form for signing up into, and in this form I can put my name here. This is my email ID, the current one for important notification. Ensure that you give a phone number which is currently operating. Sometimes Microsoft may end up sending you promos or some OTPs in order to validate your account. Organization name, think of any organization name. I will say this is going to be my Azure DevOps org. It can be any name. You need to fill up the address line. I will fill up some details here, something like this. Ensure that you correctly fill up the details. I will enter my postal code. I agree and say sign up, and it will start the process of signing up me into my Azure subscription. Now this is setting up my account, and it will expect me to provide a feedback. My experience has been good, great, thanks, and I can click on submit, and it will set up my account and will direct me to the Azure portal from where I can start operating. As you can see that now it has redirected me to the Azure portal, and it is telling me welcome to Microsoft Azure. I'll say I don't want to have a tour, and I will say maybe later. Now this is your home page of your Azure portal. Couple of important things to note is that on the top right corner you have your user ID, all right, and it has created Azure domain and Active Directory for you with whatever name. In this place you can see that it has done that for you. In my case it is telling me. Now with this Azure portal in hand, I can use this menu button and I can go to all the shortcuts or favorites that are available to me. I can use this create resource button to create resources. Some of the frequently created Azure services are available to us over here. If I click on subscriptions, I shall see that I have a subscription and right now it is active, and this is my Azure Pass subscription. So now you are up with your Azure subscription, and once this Azure subscription is ready, then you can follow the instructions for the respective trainings to set up or create services further. Thank you for watching this.